Hi everyone. So today I am very happy to unbox the new cookware in my client's place, and I just want to give you details of these cookwares. This is 4-liter stock pot, and this is one more sauté pan which is again 1.5 liters, and this is saucepan 2 liters, and this comes with a steamer, and this goes with the sauté pan and also with the stock pot like this. So what are the benefits in cooking with these vessels? It is first of all surgical steel, very good for our health, and also we can cook zero oil and very less oil cooking possible. Vital of technology is there, and also we can cook with low and moist, less moist water also. Yes, thank you. Hi Manya, come here. She is Manya, my client's daughter. Yeah, sit Manya. So one more thing I want to tell is this is a very special stock pot for me, because here we can prepare whatever we want, like rice, sambar or everything, and this steamer makes a difference, because in this steamer we can steam eggs, we can steam veggies, we can steam all pulses, we can steam like whatever you make it in oil, we can steam it here, all tikkis, everything. So this makes the difference in this cookware. One more special thing is, like when you are cooking your sambar here, you can also cook veggies for palya or anything in this, so that it saves time and it's very good for working women.